Hey everyone, welcome to Swift in 60. Today we're covering subscripts in Swift, a way to access elements in a custom collection using custom indexes. Subscripts allow us to use bracket syntax to access or modify data in a collection. Like an array, we can define our own subscripts in classes and structs. We've created a TimesTable struct where we use a subscript to return multiples of a given number. Here, TimesTable has a subscript that multiplies multiplier by the index we provide. So table 5 gives us 3 times 5, which is 15. We can also create subscripts in classes. Here's a LetterCollection class that returns a letter by its position in a string. In LetterCollection, we use a subscript to access each letter by its index. If the index is valid, it returns the character at that position. Recap time. Subscripts let us access elements with bracket syntax. We define them in classes or structs within a custom index. And that's it for subscripts.